Ow. That's a bit strange for a guy like me that you can. Come here, boy. Come here. Come on. Die. Shoot. Oh, yeah. Headshot in the face. Hey, what's going on, guys? That's Man335 over here playing another Roblox video. Oh, my. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, my hair. Oh, shoot. Die. Ow. Hey, it's Moosecraft. I play Moosecraft. Hey guys, Asman over here playing another Minecraft video, and today this is Gun Simulator, and I'm gonna play Gun Simulator. I'm that the Moosecraft guy again. I hate Moosecraft so much. I'm just joking, guys. I love Moosecraft, and where's the guy again? No scope. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel with the no scopes, V60 no scopes. This guy. Wow. Alright. Please give me 3,000 likes or maybe 50 likes for this video. Or 5 likes or something. And oh, I can't shoot it. Pistol. I'm using my phone right now, guys, because I'm gonna get my laptop, or maybe not if I'm gonna get a laptop. But be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and please donate. I'm not joking. I'm donate now. Nope. Yeah. This guy. Well, I suppose I go live stream mode and boom. My lucky day! Oh god. Hi, bye. I want again. What? Okay. I need to be quiet, guys, because I was sleeping, because I'm in my friend's house again, because I don't have enough internet on my house. 360 no scopes. 360 no scopes. Uh oh. 360 no scopes. Oh. Die. Hey. And any simulator game, guys, I love to play that. But if you wanna, guys, go another simulator game, just comment in the description below and I'll play it every once in a day, or because you know I got to do things like that. And there's a guy. I just shot my fire. Wow. Nope, I don't want any Robux. Let me get the power. Huh. Kill your enemies with Iceman 3501. And I didn't care. And no scopes. What the what? Ow. Oh. Well, how can I go live stream mode, because oh, leave a like if you enjoyed. And I'm dead. No, stop. I'm dead. Oh yeah. Wow. I'm dead already. And oh. Oh, 360. Oh wait, 360 no scopes. Wait, missed. God. You're gonna see me. Ow! I'm going up. No, 360 no scopes. Hey. Oh, money. I'm kind of bored. Ow. Yeah, I'm kind of bored of this game, guys. Let's go to a mini game. Hey brother and sister. Let's go to another game. Ever wonder, guys, to play Flood Simulator? Flood Escape 1. That's right. Flood Escape 1. Until the creator make the Flood Escape 2. With Twisted Pandora, with present plays I just watch on YouTube. It's kind of fun, and I'll need to try Flood Escape. That's right. I'm trying Gun Simulator and Flood Escape at the same time, because Gun Simulator is too overpowered for me because I'm using my phone. If I got a computer or laptop, if I don't want to, guys, I'm so sorry for that noise. Hold on, I gotta fix this. Sorry, I'm so sorry about that, guys. I'm being quiet for today. Flash escape. Oh, what's the angel? Oh wait, let's play. Oh, hey. Oh, hey, Mr. Guide. Let me go to training, please. Yay, I get to go training. Most importantly, have fun, escape the flood. Oh my god. A code cracker. Agility. Oh. Oh man, wait. Agility. Oh, alright, let's go. Oh my god. Wait, even this is impossible. I could swimming like baby. Oh, got my training points. Up. Alright. Let's go to code. Oh shit. Oh shit. Ooh. 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 Wait. I need to crack the code. Alright, crack the code. I need to crack the code. Crack. Alright. Crack the code. How can I crack the code? Oh my, yeah. Alright, let me crack the code. There we go. There one. Hey. Oh wait. Alright, come on. I cracked the code. Let me out. Oh, I need to crack 2 codes. No. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Alright, let me see it. Oh my god, I cracked the code! Yay, congratulations, cracked the code easily and everything. You know what? Big difficulty, easy mode. There's easy Flash Escape 1. I wanna play. Hey, let's go. Oh, multiplayer. No. I wanna have a multiplayer. Hey, let me in. Media. Oh my god. Oh well, let's go down to the stream and what? No, wait. I'm stuck. Now. I'm stuck. I'm dead. Well, this is awkward for me, for you guys, because I keep playing. Oh yeah. Blah blah blah. Blah. Yeah. I think this needs to be updated. Okay, let me here, boy. Ooh, let's go to easy mode first. Let's go, babies. Let's go easy mode. Yeah. Well, let me see. Alright, let me see. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Wait, no intermission. Oh. Let's go to easy mode first. Come on. Please. Come on. Oh god. Not by heart, no players on video. Ooh, this guy's going. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. He's gonna be a pro at this Minecraft series. Minecraft. Oh sorry. I mean Roblox craft. Yay, intermission. No. Don't wanna exit. I don't wanna exit. One second, I got the intermission. Let me go to first person. Oh, talked. I farted. Ow, my hearing hurts. Alright, stop. One. Wait, no. I can run. Dang it. I just wanna play some mini games. It's Gun Simulator. And know about that. Yeah. No, 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 no. Hey, my fellow friends over here playing another Minecraft series. Not hard mode, not hard. Dang it, they're going hard. Bye bye. No, oh no, John, no, John, no, John. Let's go to training mode first, guys. Because I want to train. Ooh, let's go to Algeria. Go on, and I fell down because I cannot control myself. Why I cannot control myself? All right, let's go. Training, I'm training. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Keep practicing. I really want to die. I don't want to die because I'm a flight escape. Because I'm a pro master and I'm gonna restart all the game. I'm back again. I hate this game so much, and that's why they did it. This game is really rage quitting. Jump and I jump and I jump and what the? Oh, I just gonna move my joysticks. Wait, how? Oh, what? Let me go this. Oh, what? There. Oh, there we go. And I'm fell down again. You know what? Let's crack the cup. Oh, what's that? Ooh, reactions. No. Let's go code cracker. Wait, let me crack. Let's crack the code. What? Oh, you go crack the code. I'll crack the code. What? Let me crack the code. I'll crack the code. Right. Hey, Okay, let me crack the code. This is gonna be this is gonna be not fun anymore. Hey, alright, let's go. Wait a minute, this is the opposite day. It's opposite day. Now, you go, what's up? There you go. And that's red. Oh, green. Oh, come on. Come on. I cracking the code so much. I hate this game so much because I play this game anymore. So can I crack the code? Oh, like that. Oh, like that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Definitely leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more Flood Escape 1 or Flood Escape 2, just comment in the description below. And if you want to change your character, I'll change my character. And see you guys on the next episode. Bye bye. Hold on a minute. This is awkward, so bye bye.